rotates around a point based on an impulse force applied to a side. Assuming that I can actually hit it successfully. There we go. Naturally, I don't really want to be battered across the entire world by said object, but you can see when I turn the frame on, you can see the object rotating all nicely up there. I added a little bit more interactivity to the triggers. Each one of these little platforms here is a trigger, but I made it change the actual player's collision frames. So if you notice, when you touch the object, the collision frame increases in size. Now, that was only possible because I was using convex hulls for the collision frames. Obviously not realizing that convex hulls versus primitives, that primitives are faster, but Newton Dynamics doesn't allow you to resize primitives. You can only create them once. So if you want to resize or have any resizable collision frames at runtime, you have to use convex hulls. The other platform I've got here shrinks him back again, so if I turn on the collision frame again, you get to see it actually shrink in real time. And the one at the top there is a spring, so when we collide on that, we bounce up fairly high in the sky. I wanted to kind of make it exaggerated so that everybody watching could see. Now, I've obviously got some dynamic features here which I want to cover as well. Basically, what I've got in this application is a frame rate limiter, so you'll notice that the application runs a lot faster despite the fact that Fraps is limiting our frames at 60 frames per second. This was an advancement that I put into the program because prior to this we had no way of controlling the frames per second, and obviously there's different